Hello, my name is Rayhanul Islam. I have brought a special product for you. Product name, Shareables Review. Product description. Connect your Google Sheets, Airtable base, or Notion to create customized websites, no coding required. Lifetime access. Refundable up to 60 days. Embedding data on your website shouldn't feel like you're duct taping a clunky spreadsheet to your page. Shareables lets you turn your Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion into a real website without any coding. Turn Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion into a real website, no code required. Customize layouts, add search and filters, and publish anywhere in minutes. Integrations: Airtable, Google Sheets, Notion, Webflow. Best for marketers, small businesses, solopreneurs. Transform your Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion into real interactive websites in just minutes. Build from live data. Connect your Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion and choose exactly which records to display. Map fields in a way that makes sense to you. Keep your website in sync with your data so any updates appear instantly. Stop rebuilding pages every time something changes. Whip up widgets with templates. Start with clean, ready-made templates for lists, cards, calendars, and more. Customize colors, fonts, spacing, and layouts to match your brand. Create professional directories, catalogs, or showcases. No design skills required. Make your content easy to explore. Create a product catalog that reflects your branding. Add search, filters, and sorting so visitors find what they need faster. Turn long tables into intuitive, interactive experiences. Publish your next website in minutes. Generate lightweight embeds you can drop into any website. Install on Webflow, Card, or your own custom site without breaking a sweat. Keep tabs on engagement with your site's analytics tools. Reviews. Sam Arden. Unbelievably powerful, simple, and scalable. Don't miss this one. I have enjoyed my time getting to know Shareables. I see it as having the potential to be a key part of our new digital agency we are building through my nonprofit as a workforce and entrepreneurial development initiative. What a great way to keep website content alive and share data interactively, all while being able to stay true to branding, for the most part. I did a review of Shareables by integrating Table. I think pairing Shareables with Table can help save a lot of credits. I have seen people use it to create the same types of output as what Shareables can do. What's not in the video is me fumbling around trying to customize the filter selection color and button alignment. Probably user error, I don't know. But just in case it's not, noting it. The roadmap is exciting. My favorites are V-form submission, being able to collect data from Shareables widget for a data source. Map, display locations on interactive maps. I hope this is not limited to country and state level data, but I will be happy with wherever they start, trying to reduce doing simple mapping in ArcGIS. Calculator, leverage user inputs and data source to create custom calculations. Not on the roadmap, based on Facebook group Convo. When FuseBase makes its public API available with access to new database functionality, Ryan is going to add it to the roadmap. Product link. Check my description. Thank you.